In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the period separator on MT5 charts. If you've ever wanted a quick visual way to break your chart into clear time blocks, period separators are your friend. These are the faint vertical lines that mark the start of each trading period based on the time frame you're viewing. On intraday charts, they typically mark daily boundaries. On daily charts, they'll mark months. This makes it easier to spot patterns of signs, compare performance from one session or period to the next, and keep your analysis organized at a glance. Let's start with the quickest way to turn them on. First, make sure the chart you want to work with is open and active. Simply press Ctrl+Y on your keyboard. That's it. Vertical separator lines will appear instantly across the chart. If you ever want to hide them again, press the same shortcut once more. This toggle is great when you're switching between a clean view and a structured view while analyzing price action. Now, if you prefer to manage this setting from the chart menu, you can do that as well. Right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Properties, or press F8 to open the same window. In the Properties dialog, go to the Show tab, look for the option labeled Show Period Separators and check it. As soon as that box is checked, you'll see the separators displayed on your chart. This method is handy if you're customizing your chart settings and want to make sure separators are always visible when you load a template or switch symbols. A few quick tips to help you get the most out of this feature. The appearance of the lines follows your current chart theme, so depending on your color settings, they might look subtle or more pronounced. If you don't see them right away, try zooming in or out to make the time divisions clearer, and confirm you're on a time frame where the separators are meaningful for your analysis. Because the separators reflect the next higher time unit, remember that what they represent changes with your time frame, which is perfect for keeping context as you move between short-term and long-term views. To recap, the fastest way is the keyboard toggle with Ctrl+Y on an open chart. Or for a settings-based approach, right-click, open Properties, or press F8, go to the Show tab, and check Show Period Separators. Use whichever method fits your workflow, and enjoy a cleaner, more structured view of your market sessions.